Hello everyone and welcome back to our next video. Today's video is going to be a fairly important topic as I'm going to quickly show you how to locate some important system information for your system. So if you're ever working with somebody who's trying to help you out, or you're trying to set some stuff up and you're asked to put some information about your system, so commonly like your computer name or the IP address, well, how do you find that? So the first thing I'm going to start out with is showing you how to find your computer name, and it's very simple. And again, this is going to be for Windows 10, and as a reminder, all our videos are going to be primarily focused on Windows 10, as that is the main operating system for Microsoft Windows. So you're going to come over to your Start button here and just right click, and you're going to get this pop-up menu, and you're just going to want to come up here to System and click on it, and that'll open up a window here. And then as you can see, it is going to give you some specific information about your device, specifically your device name. That is actually going to be your computer name, and that is going to be the information that you want. So the next piece of information you're going to want is your computer's IP address. So what we're going to do is, again, right click on the Start menu, and you want to open Command Prompt. So I know if you haven't really worked in the Command Prompt, don't need to worry, as this is actually going to be pretty straightforward here. And so what we are going to do is type in here the command ipconfig, that's ipconfig, and just hit enter. And then if you got multiple network connectors, like for example, if you have, like on my computer, it does have multiple network ports, or if you have, like say you're on a laptop, you obviously have the wireless and the wired connection. So you want to look for your specific connection. So in this case, on my computer, my main connection is going to be this one right here, my Ethernet adapter, and get my local IP address of 192.168.1.9. So most of you, if you're getting, let me back up, if your computer is a home machine and you don't have any sort of like special setup, just the default, you will more than likely have IP address starting 192.168, as that is the standard. It's possible that it could start with 10 dot something, but there's always going to be a set of 4 numbers. So a number dot a number dot a number dot a number. So that is basically all that it entails with finding out your basic computer information.